everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert Sweeps coins to cash on Golden Hearts games. If you've been collecting Sweeps coins and not sure how to turn them into real money, then you're in the right place. Oh, and just so you know, at the end of the video, I actually said conversion rate of how much I converted, and I did the math wrong. So it was actually 2% less than what I say at the end of the video, but it's still a great conversion rate. So you should watch all the way to the end to see how much I ended up being able to transfer into my bank account. So you are here to learn how to convert Sweeps coins to cash on Golden Hearts games. I have done my research and found a really good game. It's a low volatility game. It's called Cosmo Mix. So we will be playing that. But before we do that, I just want to show you over here. See, I have $219.60 in unplayed Sweeps coins. I have to convert all of that. And I have played this game before, and it converted really well for me. I found Cosmo Mix. I use a website called slotcatalog.com. They tell you the volatility in the RTP return to player rate for thousands of games. Let's get started. I have it at 10 cents or 0.10 Sweeps coins per spin. If you want to hit the up arrow, you can go for more, but I always recommend going for the least amount. And $219.60 in Sweeps coins at 10 cents a spin is 2,196 spins. So we're going to hit this double arrow here. Hit that too. So it's a quick spin. Double arrow will allow you to choose like 100 on autoplay. So start and see how it goes. Oh boy, what's going to happen here? Okay. Look at this game. It's so great. I love it. Yeah, so as I said, I found this on slotcatalog.com, and I was actually kind of surprised to see that the RTP, return to player rate, was something like 92.7% or something, which is actually kind of low, but I have played this game before, and I think I converted at around 100% if I remember correctly. Because I have so many spins, this is going to be a very long video, so I'm going to stop soon, and then I'll be back when I just have a handful of spins left, and we'll see how it turned out. I'll be back. All right, I'm back, and we are down to the last few spins. To find out how much you have left to play, you just click on the logo over here in the top left hand corner to bring you back to the home page, and then when you click here you can see right here. So I have $1.40 in unplayed Sweeps coins, so $1.40 divided by 0.10 is 14 spins. So I am just going to do 14 spins. If I go beyond 14 spins, then I'm going to start to take money from my redeemable real cash right here, which I do not want to do. So just 14 spins. So yeah, okay, so I can do 10 on auto. Four more. Okay, I'm just going to double check here. Oh yeah, I'm done. Okay. All right, so I redeemed $199.37 in real money, people. So I converted at around 93%, which is great. Great. And I was talking about slotcatalog.com, so right here I have it right here. If you go here, you can just type in the name of the game to see, and you will find out. So yeah, see right here, RTP, return to player, 92.97%, and that's somewhere, you know, I did around 93%, I think, something like that. So it was around that. This is where you find all the games, and if you want to do your research here, and I did a video on it, so you can check that out. I'll put a link in the description. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any other future videos. And if you want to learn how to write to Golden Hearts games, it is just in the United States, not in Canada, and minus a few states. Check that out. I did a video on how to do that, and it is a little outdated because you used to be able to send one really short letter each day to Golden Hearts Games and receive $6 in sweeps coins with each letter. So then you would end up with about $180 a month, which is really nice. They changed that recently on May 9th. Now you can only send in 5 letters a month, so now it's like $30. But then the other ways, you know, what you can take advantage of their discounted rates on sweeps coins and also refer friends. They'll give you $10 in sweeps coins or $20 in sweeps coins for each person, each friend you refer with your link. And I've referred a couple of people, so that worked out well for me. And anyway, so that is the end of this video, and we will see you in the next one.